Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're still talking about things that have come in and out of the shop. And here's another cane chair that Sarah is working on, one of our team members. And you can see that it's partially caned now. This is a teak chair, how do you say, a steam bent teak chair. And it had the original caning, and you see she has most of the hand caning work done, all the holes around the outside, all the knots being tied underneath. And of course the caning's being soaked in water so that it stretches and tightens as you go along. So each day she's adding some, and probably tomorrow she'll be finished, and you'll see the perfectly little round holes when the last strands have been put in. So folks are really interested in caning. This is something that is really a lost art, and when we tell folks, hey, do we still are doing caning, they are kind of flabbergasted that this is a skill that we still have around. And so anything that needs caning, hand or sheet caning, rushing, or split reed, or split oak seat they call it, we can help you with that. So please let us know what we can do for you. Thanks for watching.